Good day, everyone. This is Miko Fortes, and this is the MATLAB exercise number 5 entitled Multiple Block Diagram Reduction. For this laboratory exercise, I used MATLAB to simplify block diagrams and analyze the closed loop characteristics of a control system. And this activity is also divided by two. On the first part, the block diagram reduction using three different MATLAB methods, while the second part focuses on getting the time domain characteristic of the resulting system. So for the first part, I followed the example program, which is given on the laboratory activity. Yeah, the laboratory activity. And on the first method, that uses series, parallel, and feedback commands, here's the result. For the second part, which is called algebraic operations. This would be the result. For the third part, that is this one. Okay. After following the example, now we will move on to the second part of the laboratory activity. So on the this one, I'll be running it real quick. Oh, seems to have removed. So let's just run first the solution via series, parallel, and feedback commands. Using k is equals to 3 since that is my seat, or 13 is my seat number. For the second part, the solution via algebraic operations. And for the third part, the solution via append and connect commands. And for the second, or the other part, which is the closed loop characteristics. So let me run this one real quick. Now, for the graph, the step response. Okay. So overall, this activity shows how MATLAB can be used not only to reduce complex uh, block diagrams, but also to analyze how a control system behaves in time. And it also demonstrates that different reduction methods can give the same result, which helps confirm the accuracy of the solution. So that's everything. Bye-bye.